see what's going on here. Who's the king? Well, we know the answer, right? The verse 1 says, in the year of the death of the king Uzziah. This is a crisis moment. Everybody knows the world's a-changing, Assyria's rattling its saber. The market has popped. We're looking at a depression. We're looking at a housing bubble pop. I mean, put in all the pieces you want to make this sort of a contemporary connection. And they're not having an election, but it's a time of potential change in government. The king is dead, right? Now, in a dynastic king, you really have one job. What's job one in a dynastic monarchy? See Henry VIII, have a son, right? You got to have an heir. Jotham was there, so this wasn't a worry about whether we're going to have a succession fight. But it is a huge time of transition. 52 years. Now what? You can just hear them talking having their wine at the pub that night, wondering what's coming along on CNN. And so what's the point here? Whom does Isaiah see? He sees Adonai, and that's why Adonai is used, because it is saying, and where is Adonai? He's sitting on the throne, right? Who's the king? Duh, right? He ain't dead. Never was. Never will be. Actually, he would be. But for now, he's alive and well. Thank you very much. So we're entering into the heavenly chambers and seeing what's really going on in the throne room of God. The Holy of Holies was really to be the throne room of God on earth, as I think you remember. And Isaiah is brought into that heavenly realm. Now this also goes, we'll talk about this afternoon a little bit, this also goes to one of the vocational roles of the prophet, who was a guy who listened in heaven and got the insider scoop on what in the world God's up to in the world, okay? The prophet was a guy with insider information. Now, just like Paul and the great mysterion of all ages, the whole point of mystery in the Bible is to go tell everybody what the mystery's about, right? God doesn't keep, God's reveals stuff, God hides stuff, but he actually wants you to be in on a secret, right? And it ain't no secret. He's the king of the kingdom of God, and he wants everybody to be part of the kingdom of God, right? Because he's the king of all creation. That was the idea from the get-go.